Are you in need of Forest Creek, Texas ant control? If fire ant mounds keep showing up in the yard, or ants are trailing into the house near baseboards and kitchen areas, the irrigated turf and mature landscaping around Forest Creek create ideal habitat for colony expansion. Properties near maintained green space hold steady soil moisture that keeps ant colonies active and foraging toward the nearest food and water sources. One-time mound treatments with granular product knock back activity for a short period. But without a perimeter program maintaining coverage around the foundation, the colonies rebuild quickly. Call Stride Pest Control today at 512-254-8185 for ant removal services in Forest Creek, Texas.